They gonna be shocked. Look, they gonna be shocked. They gonna be shocked. We gonna video it.
Yeah.
Stand up, baby.
I ain't standing up. That's all right. All you really need to do is hear it.
Y'all might want to watch the cops.
Someone said at that party tonight, they was like off the cars and they was like shit. And I was thinking in my head, okay, y'all just wish y'all had cars and we probably get. It's a good thing I went around because I was
Hey, that Honda's gonna go out with awesome, y'all. That's gonna be hilarious. It's right behind you.
Come on, man, go.
Y'all. Y'all want to get white?
He's gonna get stopped at the light.
I tell you, man, this thing feels like it's jamming and everything, don't it?
Yep. Come on, Honda boy, you ain't got nothing.
Hey, Rice Burner, go get some Ford.
Get your taste of that.
Oh, we got a truck in it now. Show GT's gonna make y'all go GT. Austin.
Oh, Lawson! You just broke it off.
Y'all are hitting me right.
Hey, did y'all see that? Y'all watch.
Oh, shut up when you're done.
Watch. I'm gonna take off that. Watch.